Hello guys, good morning and welcome back. So in this video I want to show us how to make a female palazzo trouser. I will attach the picture on the screen, the style you are seeing on the screen, right? So that style now you are seeing there is the style we are cutting. So the areas of measurement we have is or are the bust, shoulder, shape, sleeve length, hips, round sleeve, the length of trouser, the lap, the neck and the top length. Now if you observe, we did not measure the knee and the lap. The reason for this is because we are going to use the lap and the lap to cut the knee, and also use the lap to cut the ankle, because it flows down from the lap downwards. So the first thing to do here is to mark your baseline in this form. You mark out your baseline properly in this form. So once your baseline is properly marked, draw the line all through to this very point, making sure that the line is straight enough. After which you put your trouser length. So you also mark out this other baseline. So these baselines must be marked out in this form. Now the reason for this baseline is to make sure that your lines are straight enough. Then after this, the next to do here is to mark 2 inches. The 2 inches you are marking is for the folding or the hemming, right? So you mark 2 inches here all through this way. So this trouser would be a rope trouser. We are not going to use the waist because the owner said she wants to have a rope on the waistline. So after this, the next to do here is to put the length of trouser. The length of trouser is 38, right? Then you put the length. So because we are making a rope trouser and we're making a little bit high waist, not really her waist point, a bit high from the band measurement. So I will minus 1 inch from the length of trouser and add half again, so that it doesn't exceed the navel point. So I'm just trying to be calculative enough so that it doesn't get off the area she wants. So here I will connect in this form. So after which, the next we are going to do now is to mark the crotch. And the crotch measurement is gotten from the hips over 4. And with the hip we have is hips of 11. I will divide 46, is the hip, by 4 is 11.5. So instead of marking 11.5 from here, I will push out 1.5, which I will use for the band measurement. And I will add extra 2 inches to that. So the crotch will now be 13.5. I will mark at 13.5 this way. The 1.5 I'm pushing out is for the band measurement. Extra 2 I added was to make it to go a bit longer than the normal waistline. So draw the line in this form. After this, the next to do now is to get your knee point. So the knee point we have here is a knee from the crotch depth to here is 25.5. Divided by 2, we have 12.25. We have 12.75. Then minus 3, you have 9.75, right? 9.75. That's your knee line. So the knee line has been gotten. Mark the line in this form. After this, the next to do now is to get your hip measurement 46 in this form. Add extra 2 inches to it. Then get the gradient line, that's the middle distance from this point to this point. So here is 27. Now at this point, we are going to cross-check her lap measurement. So the lap we have is 28, which is 14. So I think at this point, I will retain the same hip here. The back panel we have extra 2 inches, right? So which is still very much acceptable. So here I will use 27 to mark on her knee. 27, right? And then also mark it as well on the ankle, 27. So this is what I have for the knee points. And then this line will be extended all through this way. Extend all the line all through this way. So since she wants a rope trouser, we're going to send the line of the hip line straight up to the waistline. It goes in this form. and then mark extra 2 inches here, just like this, and then take your pattern master and make a curve connecting from here to these very points. So you can decide to put your pocket. So pocket measurement we have is 7 inches deep by 2.5. For the pocket, so I will cut out this, and I will show you how to cut the back.